Ciao amici, benvenuti al Facile come Italiano. Hello guys, welcome to Easy as Italian. Well, I'm Reza and I did a mistake. Hopefully, a dear person noticed me and said that in this place you did a mistake, and I checked and, well, she was right. I did a mistake, and, well, the human deserves to mistake sometimes. And the mistake is to be solved, so I'm here to solve it. And in the first, let's see what mistake was it. If you remember, in the previous session we talked about the most important phrases that as a beginner you can learn in Italian language. If you don't remember, I don't like you at all. Push the subscribe button right now and go back, see the previous session. Then I will start to like you a little. And if you remember, love you guys. So now, let's see. In that session, I said a verb that was ringraziare, that means to be thankful. And I said that you always have to use an objective pronoun for this verb, because in Italian you have to make it clear that whom you are thanking to. Okay, so till here it was correct. And my example was that, for example, when I want to say thank you, I would say io ti ringrazio. That means I am thankful to you. Ti ringrazio. It was correct. The mistake was that I said the objective pronouns kinda, how to say, in the wrong place. I will explain more now. This video is all about the objective pronouns because I wanted to make it clear all, but I wouldn't explain all of it because some parts are too hard for you for now. You will explode. But I promise I will explain them for you in the future. Just for now, I will explain as much as we need. If you were eager to learn those two, I would put an ID in the description, so you can ask me personally and I would answer you personally, but not in the videos, at least not for now. So let's see, we have 4 objective pronouns that come before the verb. One is reflexive, well, that I have explained before. Another form is the direct objects, and the other form is indirect objects, and the fourth form is indirect objects that come before direct objects, but we don't have anything to do with this one. So we will explain these 3 in this session. Actually, we have another kind of objective pronoun that comes after the verb, but again, we don't have anything to do with that for now, so we'll explain it later. For now, just the first 3 of the objective pronouns that come before the verb. Actually, in Italian, they just consider the direct objects as an objective pronoun, and they consider the rest in other groups. Because I'm explaining these in English, I would just use the form objective pronoun. Now, let's see, the first one, the reflexives, are the ones that I have explained, and the form and the shape of them are mi, ti, si, chi, vi, si. From the first pronoun to the last one, the singular to the plural, are like this. And I said that, for example, for the verb sentire, that means to feel, or can mean to hear, but we just work with to feel. You always have to put this objective pronoun before that verb. I mean, it's necessary for you to put the reflexive objects before the verb sentire if you mean to feel. Okay? For example, if I want to say I feel, I should say io mi sento. Now, what does it mean? It means I feel myself. Who is feeling? Me. Who is feeling? Me. So, this is the meaning of reflexive objects. Okay? Yeah, it sounds selfish, but you have to use it because it would make a grammatical problem for you. Now, let's learn another verb too, lavare, that means to wash, and also can mean to wash yourself. I mean, taking a shower and taking a bath. For example, first let me tell you the pronouns for this verb. It's lavo, lavi, lava, laviamo, lavate, lavano. It's regular verb, so it's easy to learn. Now, for example, you're in the bathroom, you're taking a bath, a person comes and knocks and says, "What are you doing?" "I'm eating a banana." "What I'm doing?" You say, "Io mi lavo." I wash myself. It doesn't mean I'm wash myself. It means I wash by myself. Okay? Doesn't mean I wash myself. I mean like I am washing myself. No. I wash by myself. It's me who is washing. And the person would understand that whom are you washing or what are you washing. Okay? This was the verb lavare. But for example, if you are washing another thing like an apple, you don't say that anymore. That's different. I will tell you in the future. Now, for the direct objects, let's explain them. The pronouns for this kind of object is mi, ti, lola, civi, li, le. As you see, the first and the second pronouns for the singular and the plural for this kind of direct object is exactly like the reflexive. Just the third persons are different. So, mi, ti, lo, la, civi, li, le. Okay? And where do you use it? The other meaning of sentire, to hear. I said when you put the reflexive behind sentire, it would mean to feel. But if you don't put the reflexive object, it would mean to hear. If I say io sento, that means I hear. If I say io mi sento, that means I feel myself, by myself. I feel by myself. Okay? Who is feeling me? Just like that. And so the direct form is for when you want to mention an object directly. Okay? For example, for this verb, I hear, you want to say, I hear you. Io ti sento. I hear you. It's you whom I'm hearing. I want to say, I hear that, or I hear him. I would say, io lo sento. I hear him, or I hear that. I want to say, I hear them. I would say, io le sento. I hear them. Okay? It's easy. Now let's go for the second one. The third one, sorry. So the third one, the indirect objects, where do you use it? Now, for this one, I would tell you a new verb that is piacere. Okay? It means to be pleasing. Okay? To be pleasing is the verb piacere. What do I mean? I mean, for example, in Italian, they don't have anything for to like. So, I mean, for example, they don't say I like you. They don't say I like him or her or it. They say you are pleasing to me, or this is pleasing to me. They use this for more literal, Ah, well, I have to explain it because it's important. So someday you will have to say something like I like it or I like you. So for this verb, we use the indirect objects. How are they? They are mi, ti, yi, le, ci, vi, loro. Again, just the third pronouns are different. Yi and le and loro. Mi, ti, yi, le, ci, vi, loro. And I have talked about this sound yi of GLI. Well, I don't need to explain it anymore. So now I want to say, you are pleasing to me. So, to whom? To me. Who? You. So, tu mi piaci. You are pleasing to me. This is how indirect objects works. I want to say that she likes you. You are pleasing to her. So to whom? To her. Le. Who? You. Tu le piaci. You are pleasing to her. She likes you. This was the lesson for today. I said I will teach the other forms. Yes, but later. For sure, but later. And so now the session is over. I hope you all will be alright. And I would see you in the next couple of days.